Well,
this place is like a maze. I don't know where the festival begins or ends. I don't know if it just is.
We have 2 hawks now, and then I'm sort of blocking the perch for it, but normally we do have a 4th, which at the moment is down for the joust. Pretzel is a Harris hawk, the one closest to our donation chest, Bowden. He is a red-tailed hawk. And then our owl over here is a Eurasian eagle owl. His name is Barkley. He is a red-tailed hawk.
he's beautiful.
Bowden. Bowden is around maybe a year and a half, maybe less. We believe he was actually a late hatch, because when we do go to feed him, he will still food beg, including from the other birds. It's actually rare for any bird of prey to survive their first year in the wild due to sheer inexperience, predators, which unfortunately that list of predators to them includes us humans as we are destroying their habitats a wit. Our goal is to take them, train them to be a better hunter, and then when we know they can hunt well and provide for themselves, we re-release them to the wild, knowing that they will have a better chance of survival and better chance of producing stronger offspring.
What is the other bird?
He is a Harris hawk. They are from the Arizona, New Mexico region. We have actually retired him from hunting because a few years ago, you could probably, if he was turned towards you, see one of his legs is a bit more outturned than the other. He actually broke one of his legs going after another falcon.
Put the hands to yourself. Hands to yourself. Hands to yourself. No, put the hands. Hands. No. She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it. We're not a threat. We're not a threat. There is no threat. Peter. Nay. What have you done? What have you done? Turn him back. Turn him back into a beggar. Please. Turn him back into a beggar.
Well, maybe. Okay. And
You're alright.
Was I not standing earlier?
You are.
I believe you were, but you're now on the ground. You should stand up.
Oh, I suppose I should have a sit.
I think you crushed the egg.
Oh God!
Yes.
Oh God! I feel most violated somehow.
You don't need chicken feet.
Oh God's my life! Horrific weapon is it?
Oh, it's an umbrella.
No, it's a parasol.
It's a parasol.
Umbrellas are for rain. Parasols are for the sun.
Learn something new every day. Anyone have any chicken feed?